Hello guys, welcome to this video. I want to introduce this airdrop to you guys. Okay, the name of this app is called CardStar, and it's for mining the card coin for free. Okay, so this is the app right here. CardStar. Okay, all you have to do is to go to Google Play Store and download the app. Okay, let me show you again. This is the app CardStar. Okay, just go to Google Play Store and download it CardStar. So once you download the app, you can launch it, click it and launch it, and start mining your free coin. Okay, so once you launch the app, you get to this part where you say startup. So for you to start mining, you just have to click on this start up button. Okay, once you click it, you can the system will start mining automatically for you. Okay, so you can see what is written here right now. It says click the button to get earnings. The income can be automatically earned when clicking the start button, which needs to be clicked again after 12 hours. So every 12 hours the system will stop mining for you, and then you have to come back and click it again. The income are calculated by cards, which can be withdrawn, sold, repurchased, consumed, and purchased in the future for circulation and consumption inside and outside the application, such as NFT blind boxes. So what that means is that very soon withdrawal will be open in this app, and any amount of money that you have earned on this app, you'll be able to withdraw it and have access to your cash. Okay, so I'm going to click start now, then I will take you inside my account so that you can see how much I have mined so far. Okay, so this is inside my account. You can see the system is already mining here. Okay, it's mining, and you can see how many cards is mining for me at the moment. Okay, so it will mine like that for the next 12 hours. Okay, so after 12 hours I have to come back to mine. So let me go and show you how much I have earned so far on this app. Okay, just come down to the right down corner here where you have profile, where you have a profile down here, then click, and then my cards. Okay, my card. So you can see that I have earned about $504. $504, and this is the total coins I have been mining so far. 126,137, and it's still counting. All right, so withdrawal is going to be opened soon, and then I will be able to withdraw this cash. So what you can do at the moment is you can start mining these coins for free right now. Okay, you can start mining. So once you download the app, it will ask you for referral code. Kindly make sure that you enter my referral code or invitation code right here. This is my invitation code. Okay, it's HAQT5, H0AQT5. Okay, H0AQT5. That's my invitation code. So when you download the app, make sure as you are registering or you are signing up, the section where it's going to ask you for referral code or invitation code, you enter this code so you can be part of my team. Okay, basically this app isn't really based so much on referrals for you to earn. Okay, you can see I've earned that much of money in the last couple of months, not because I referred people. Okay, the app gives me about $3 to $4 a day, sometimes $7 depending on your mining rate and how you work on increasing your mining speed. Okay, so let me show you how many referrals I have so far. If you come to my team here, you see that I only have one referral. Okay, and I just referred the person not too long ago. So but I just want to introduce the app to you guys so that you can also start mining for free. Okay, so this is my mining rate here, which is 0.010. Okay, 0.010. You can increase it by collecting this spaceship. At every point in time you get 4. So when you collect the spaceship, it will add additional plus 10 to your mining rate here. Okay, so you just have to do is to click on this spaceship and watch an advert. You can watch the advert. It's usually about 30 seconds or so, just an advert video which will increase your mining rate. So when you collect the 4 of them like that and you watch all the advert, it will give you plus 40% on this your mining rate. So that will increase your mining rate and also increase how much you are going to make. Okay, so let's try it. You don't have to when you watch the advert, some of them will contain links or it will automatically take you to Google Play Store to download some app and other. You don't have to download any of those apps or register for them. They are just adverts. And some of those adverts, this app make money from those adverts in a way that they are able to keep this app running and maintaining the app so that the airdrop too can have a future. Okay, so let's click on some of the spaceship and see how it works. So just click on it and it will load you to another.
Do you need money?
Yes.
Did you download
Lucky Wi-Fi?
Yes. I've already withdrawn.
It's too small.
Where did you download it?
I found a random link to download it.
You may downloaded it incorrectly. Click the link below and download. Everyone download it will get $100. Try if you don't believe.
Wow, $200 is real.
What's more, when you play game, you will get money. Play more, get more.
Okay guys, so once the video finish, you can see at the top right corner here you have an X button, so you just click it and then it will close. Boom, you have +1 spaceship and then you can see that you now have additional plus 10 basic mining rate, which has also increased the mining rate here. Okay, so let's try another spaceship. Okay, and see how it works.
How do we identify the real and fake money-making games?
Check if the game has the following problems. First, spend a lot of time, but no money. Second, there is no way to withdraw money. Third, the task of getting rewards is very demanding.
Do you have a recommended game?
I suggest you download Megadozer. It's easy to play. You can easily earn pocket money. And there is no restriction on withdrawing cash. Money is sent directly to PayPal. Try it out.
So the video has finished playing and you just wait for the button at the top right corner to appear and then you click it. Sometimes it gives you that greater that button, then before it brings the X again, then you close it. Okay, so you can see right here now I now have +20 and my mining rate has increased to 0.012. So if you watch the remaining 2 or you claim the remaining 2 spaceship, you have 0.4, and every time, maybe in the next 1 hour or 2 hours or 3 hours, you can come back and check if you have more spaceship. So that will increase your mining rate here, and at the same time increase the money that you'll be getting. Okay, so another thing you need to pay attention to is also when you are claiming this spaceship. Sometimes when you claim these spaceships here, it gives you 1 spaceship and +10 boost for your mining rate. Okay, so for you to view the number of spaceship that you have to come and click on profile down here, your profile down, and then go to my cards. You can click my cards, or just come down to my spaceship here and click it. Okay, just come to click my spaceship here. So when you click it, you can see how many spaceship that I currently have, 107, and at the moment I have not been given more spaceship. So you can check maybe in the next 2 hours or 3 hours or 4 hours, they are going to give me some spaceship here. Okay, and all you just have to do is to click on recycle, and then you also watch those videos again, like 30 seconds. You can be given 10 spaceship or 6, depending on how the system works, and then your spaceship here will increase. So what this spaceship does is it helps you to increase your mining rate at every point in time if you implement it. Okay, you just have to do is to click on cart acceleration. Let's say you want to increase your mining speed so that you can make more money per every 12 hours, and you have some spaceships here already. So when you click on this cart acceleration, for example, you see spaceship speed up. Now select acceleration rate. Let's say I want to increase my acceleration rate by 100%. So I will need 50 spaceship, and I already have 107 here. Okay, so let's say I want to increase my acceleration rate by 200%. I will need 100 spaceship. What this means is that it will boost my money rate and increase the amount of money I'm going to make within the next 12 hours. Okay, so if you want, you can click yes. If you don't want, you can click no. Okay, so that's it. Also, this spaceship will also be useful later on when the system opens for withdrawal. Okay, very soon this app will open for withdrawal and transactions, whereby you'll be able to withdraw your money and carry out transactions on the app. So you'll be using this spaceship to pay for some activation fee or transaction fees on this app. So make sure you collect as many spaceship as possible on this app and store them down. Okay, so come back here in the next 1 hour or 2 hours. Okay, my time here is counting 2 hours, 1 hour plus. So you can come, you'll be given some spaceship, maybe 6 or 12 or 10 or 20. So for you to watch each advert, just click on this place. It will load the advert for you for 30 seconds, and then you close it, and then you'll be given additional spaceship here. All right, okay, so that's all you need to know, guys. So just head on to Play Store and download the app, and kindly make sure that you use my referral code, which is H08AQT5. H0AQT5. Okay, and you'll be part of my team. You'll be part of my team. And if you like this video, kindly subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel and like the video. Also share the video. And when you subscribe to the channel, I will be posting more videos like this for airdrops and other free ways to make money online and other opportunities as well. Okay, so you get notifications when I post the videos online. So guys, this is an opportunity for you to start mining this coin for free. Okay, once again, the name of the app the name of the app is Cardstar. Just go to Google Play Store and download it. And once you download it, as you are signing up on the app, when you are signing up on the app, where you are going to see invitation code, make sure you enter this invitation code, H0AQT5. You can write it down so that you don't mix it. H0AQT5. Okay, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also like and share this video. You can comment on the video if you have any challenge so far. So when this app opens for withdrawal, I'm going to also post the instruction on how to withdraw from this app into the supported wallet on my Telegram group. So there will be a link to join my Telegram group where you can also have first-hand information to support on this app as well as many other opportunities. Okay, later on. Thank you very much, guys. See you in the next video.